Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, we'll see how to make rainbow bubble cake without using any cake tin or cake mold. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need 1/4 cup curd or yogurt. Whisk it till it becomes smooth. Next, add half cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoon milk powder, half teaspoon vanilla essence and 4 tablespoon oil or melted butter. If you're using oil, make sure you do not use extra virgin olive oil, peanut oil or mustard oil. If you don't have milk powder, replace it with sugar and use melted butter in this recipe. Next, add half cup milk. The milk should be at room temperature. Mix well. Next, add 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix till you get a smooth lump-free batter. Do not over-whip or over-mix the batter. You need to stop as soon as you're done removing the lumps. Our cake batter is ready. Now let's move to the next step. Take an appe pan and grease it with some oil or butter. Use 2 spoons or an ice cream scoop to pour in the batter. Leave enough space on top for the cake to rise. Keep the flame low. Use the smallest burner. If you're still finding it difficult to control the flame, you can place a tawa below this appe pan. Now cover and cook at low flame till the cake rises and you do not see any liquid batter on top. Right away switch off the flame and remove the cakes. Similarly, make the remaining. The mini cakes are ready. They are nice and moist, super spongy, and we made them without using any cake tin or mold. Let the cakes cool down and meanwhile let's prepare chocolate ganache. For that, take 100 gram white compound and to the white compound add 50 gram fresh cream. You can microwave this for 30 seconds, mix and then again microwave for 30 seconds. Or you can heat the cream and add to white compound, mix till you get a smooth ganache like this. Divide the ganache into 4 parts. Add a few drops of yellow gel food color, blue, red and yellow in one to make orange, and green gel food color. You may use different food colors. Mix well. So we are going to make blue, yellow, orange or deep red and green colored ganache. Along with ganache, we need some whipped cream. So take approximately half cup whipping cream. The whipping cream should be in chilled state. Whip till you get stiff peaks. Now pipe some whipping cream onto a cake board or a plate and place some cakes. Now pipe some whipped cream on top. Now place the second layer of cakes. Next, fill the gaps using some whipped cream. And then pour the colored ganache on top one by one. You can make any pattern, any random pattern. Our cake is ready. You can set this in your refrigerator before serving or you can serve it right away. Store it covered in your refrigerator and it will stay good up to 5 days. The cake is very nice and soft and milk powder adds a very rich taste to it. Look at the beautiful texture of the cake. You can make this cake for kids' birthday party or just like that. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!